Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling tools and shortening the extension so acetone works faster. Trim visible length with clippers, but stop before the natural nail. Then file the shiny surface lightly to break the seal. This allows solvent to penetrate the layers. Once done, soak cotton balls in acetone and prepare foil wraps. Make sure to protect skin by applying petroleum jelly to cuticles. This reduces irritation while you continue with the removal process. You now focus on loosening the bond. Place the acetone-soaked cotton directly on the nail and wrap foil snugly. Leave for 10 to 20 minutes depending on thickness. Once done, unwrap one nail and test by gently pushing at the edge with an orange wood stick. If it lifts, continue easing the extension off. If it resists, rewrap and soak longer. Make sure to work patiently so you don't rip or thin the natural nail. Repeat soaking rather than prying forcefully. You finish by removing any remaining product with a gentle 180/240 file and a soft buffer, then wash and dry your hands. Buff lightly to smooth ridges, but avoid overfiling. Once smooth, apply cuticle oil and a rich hand cream to restore oils and promote recovery. If nails look thin or peel, stop all enhancements for 1 to 2 weeks and use a strengthening protein treatment. This helps rebuild integrity. Make sure to monitor sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.